Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. We are starting our second day, first session. And we are, as we know that we are on the types of fragments. There are 5 fragments. And that is mudaf, mudaf ilay, sifa masuf, jar majroor, nawasibul ism, ismul ishara, mushar ilay. One very important thing to clear here, these are fragments. Fragments, we should be very clear in difference between fragment and sentence. Fragment, it's not give any sense. This is not a complete sentence, but sentence give a complete idea. Hardly is, are, am, these things are used in English and they make a complete sentence. First, these things should be very clear. So there are 5 fragments we have in Nahw part: mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, sifa masuf, jar majroor, nawasibul ism, and ismul ishara, mushar ilayhi. Okay, for mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, just we know that there is for mudaf, there are, just to recap, Buraq, condition for mudaf. Hurry up, mudaf.
There's 2 conditions for mudaf.
Okay.
It has to be light,
Okay.
and it doesn't take al.
Al. Okay, and mudaf ilay?
Mudaf ilay has 1 condition. Mudaf ilay always has to be majroor.
Majroor. So mudaf will not have al, and there should be it should be light, no tanween or noon sound at the end. This is about the mudaf, mudaf ilay. Okay, sifa mawsuf, Ubaid.
Yes.
Sifa mawsuf.
Sifa Mawsuf has to match all 4 property of ism.
Okay. So sifa mawsuf is combination of
Ism.
And what about mudaf, mudaf ilay?
Mudaf, mudaf ilay. Mudaf has to be
Yeah, but what is combination? Mudaf, mudaf ilay is combination of
mudaf, mudaf ism.
Ism. We are talking about, actually we started with ism, noun. We are not talking about verb. Okay, so they are combination of nouns, sifa mawsuf noun. Next is jar majroor. So I would go to Safi first. Can
Yes.
you please say some harf jar?
Haruf jar.
Yes.
Okay. Haruf jar. Fi in ala.
Okay. Do you remember any other? This is just
D.
Okay. I don't know what you are saying. E. Just say ala and then any other thing. Okay, I would go to Musab Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Some haruf jar.
Okay. Ala wa ta min ka
Fi.
fi.
Yeah,
La.
min, ala, fi, bi, li. So these are haruf jar. What they do is
Haruf jar make the word after the
noun
noun
of
after it. It makes the noun after it marfu status.
marfu?
Majroor status.
Majroor, jar, majroor. So, and this combination is called what?
Jar majroor.
Jar majroor. So they make the noun after it, as they put a jar status, so it becomes majroor. So jar majroor. This is okay. Next is nawasibul ism. Brother Rida, can you
Yes,
please
brother.
name the nawasib?
Okay, nawasibul ism, yes. Nawasibul ism makes the following non-mansub.
Mansub. Can you please name some nawasib?
Yes. Inna,
Yes.
anna, ka'anna, laita, lakinna, لألا.
MashaAllah, good. Okay, Safi, can you please read these Huruf Jar and don't forget again, please, Safi.
Okay. B, ta, ka, li, wa, min, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila.
Ila. These words are used a lot. Ila, ala, fi, bi, and li. They comes a lot. Okay, so these are Huruf Jar. So this combination, when they come, the noun, they make the noun after them as majroor. So this is called jar majroor. Okay, now next thing we started yesterday, and that is Ismul Ishara Mushar ilay. Ismul Ishara. Jafar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. What do we say Ismul Ishara in English?
Point.
Pointing words. Pointing word. Ismul Ishara is what?
Pointing word.
Pointing word. Can you please name the pointing words? Some of them.
Okay. Haza.
Okay.
Haza. Ulaika.
Yeah, Jafar, not this way. Just we have to see whatever we. Okay. I would go to Tanjeen.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Tanjeen. Yes, say some Ismul Ishara.
So they're pointing words
Yes.
and they have to be proper nouns and non-flexible.
No, I did not ask you anything. I just said say some pointing words. Go to the according to the question.
Hadihi, dhalika, tilka,
Tilka. And what is the plural of haza?
haulai.
Yes. And hazihi?
هؤلاء.
I did not ask you, Burak.
Haulai.
Okay. And next is zalika
Ulaika.
and tilka.
Ulaika.
So these all are pointing words, even singular, dual, plural. And there are two characteristics, Tanjeen, you were telling me in the beginning. What are two important things about Ismul Ishara?
Pointing words have to be proper nouns.
They
and
should be proper noun. This
It
is
should
very
be-
important that they all are proper noun. Okay.
proper nouns, and they have to be non-flexible, except
But
for their
only-
duals.
Except dual. Very good, Tanjeen. So these are the two. First thing, Ismul Ishara. Now we are actually talking about Ismul Ishara Mushar ilay. And we must, this is fragment. Fragment means no sense, just it is not a sentence. So these are the pointing words, and after that, whatever comes, and that is combination Ismul Ishara Mushar ilay. Like, this is Ismul Ishara Mushar ilay. Hazal Kitabi. The most important thing that it should be fragment when it match the four properties. It should match in four properties of ism. Burak, four properties of ism. What are those four properties?
Number, gender, type, status.
Okay, see here. What about the number haza? Is it singular or plural?
It's singular.
Kitabu, singular or plural?
Singular.
Okay, one is done. Second, what you said, what is the second property?
Gender. Gender.
What about the gender of haza?
It's feminine.
Feminine and
I
kitab
meant
is also
masculine.
feminine.
I meant,
Okay,
yeah.
Okay, so two done. What about third property?
Type is proper.
Type, yeah, type. What is the type of haza?
Proper.
How do you know that?
Because of proper nouns.
All pointing
or
words.
haza,
Hazza,
hadi,
hadi, zalika,
yeah.
tilka, haulai, hazani, they are proper noun. What about al-kitabu? Is it proper
It's-
noun or common noun?
It's proper
How do you know that it is proper noun?
because of al.
Al. If I want to make it common noun, what I will do?
Remove the al.
Very good. So four properties. And what about status? Last one.
It's majroor. I meant marfu.
Marfu. Kitabu is marfu and haza is what? Basically that is non-flexible. So haza
No,
will be
marfu.
marfu, mansub, majroor. All things will be same. So all four properties match. And this is the fragment. Ismul ishara, mushar ilay. This is ismul ishara, mushar ilay fragment. What will be the meaning of hazal kitabu?
This book.
This book. So this book is not a sentence. This is a fragment. That's why this is ismul ishara, mushar ilay. Ismul ishara, mushar. I will talk later that how to make it sentence. That is separate thing, but we have to understand with this fragment. Next thing, I will go to Muhammad Ashar is there. Muhammad bin Ashar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Okay. Okay, we are talking about pointing words. Okay, so can you please say this?
Zalikal kitabu,
Zalika means
that
that. What is the plural of Zalika?
ulaika,
What is the meaning of Ulaika?
those.
Okay, now come here. We are talking about Ismul Ishara, Mushar ilay. What is Ismul Ishara here?
Ismul ishara is zalika.
And Mushar ilay is?
Musharun ilay is kitab. Al kitab.
So to be a fragment, it must match in four properties. So it must be, if it is Ismul Ishara, Mushar ilay, then four properties should match. Can you please, what are the four properties, Muhammad?
Okay, the four properties are number, gender, type, status.
Okay, go ahead for number first.
Number. So both of them are singular.
Singular. Singular and kitab, of course, is singular. Next, gender.
And then gender, both of them are male.
Okay, what about the feminine
Masculine.
Zalika? What is feminine of Zalika?
Tilka.
Tilka, very good. Second is done. What about third one?
Type, both of them are proper nouns.
Proper. How do you know that Zalika is proper noun?
Because all pointing words are proper.
Very good. Go for the last one, last property.
Status.
Status is?
Okay. So Zalika is non-flexible because all pointing words are non-flexible. And then Tilka is majroor. Sorry, no, not Tilka, sorry. Al-Kitabu is majroor.
Majroor.
Sorry, no, marfu.
Marfu and Zalik. If it is marfu and Zalika is also marfu because Zalika. Okay, what is
Yeah.
the meaning of Zalika al-Kitabu? Translation.
That book.
That book. Okay, this. So this book, that book. Why? Because it's Ismul Ishara Mushar ilay and it must satisfy the four properties should match. It must satisfy this thing. It must match in four properties. So this book, that book. Another thing, it is very important to understand the sentences with this, but let's go more for this. Okay, now I will take one senior student for this example, and please, I would request each and everyone, please focus here. I would go with first, let's see, Brother Hamid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. So please, everyone. First, let's start with Kitabullahi.
Okay. Kitabullahi is mudaf ilay.
Meaning.
Book of Allah.
Okay, Book of Allah. Now, our question is very important, everybody, that what the question is. We are talking about fragments, not the sentences. Ismul Ishara, Mushar ilay. This is the combination. Kitabullah is mudaf ilay. Book of Allah, as Brother Hamid described. Now, Brother Hamid, I want it that this Book of Allah. If in English, if I say this Book of Allah, is it fragment or sentence?
It is a fragment.
Fragment. So this Book of Allah, if I want this Book of Allah, so what will be the Arabic for that?
Kitabullahi hadha.
Why you did not say the Hazal Kitabullahi?
Yes.
If I put, okay, just first question came in our mind that Kitabullahi, Book of Allah, and just I said this Book of Allah. So we have, as a non-Arabic, we have in our mind that we should just put Haza wherever, and it will be that Haza Kitabullahi. But the question is, my question was this Book of Allah. When I put here Haza Kitabullahi, so meaning will not be this Book of Allah. Why? This book is only satisfied when it match the four properties. One property, if I put haza here, so 4 properties, one of the property will fail. Haza is proper noun and kitab is common noun, and that does not match. So what I should have to do, I have to put al, because I just studied that to make a fragment, 4 properties should be same. If I put here haza kitabul, haza is proper noun. To make kitab proper noun, I will put al. Now I make it like haza al kitabullah, because this book of Allah. We are talking about fragment. But one very important thing, match in 4 properties. Match in, okay, haza, 4 properties of haza match with 4 properties of kitab. But again, one problem created here because of this. What is the problem? As said by brother Hamid, that kitabullah is mudaf mudaf ilayh, kitab and mudaf should not have al. It does not like al. There will be harm on kitab. It feels bad when you put al. So this is wrong because of kitabullah. So we are violating the rule of mudaf mudaf ilayh. Okay, now this problem went to Arab. Just say Arab said, oh yes, this is a problem. So best thing, if you don't want al and you also make it a fragment, so what you do? Removal. And instead of putting haza in the beginning, put haza at the end. So it will be kitabullahi haza, this book of Allah. So this is very important to understand that what is the problem? Problem is kitabullahi, book of Allah. I want this book of Allah. I don't want this is book of Allah. If this is book of Allah, just haza kitabullahi. I want a fragment, this book of Allah. Just I know that, put a haza in the beginning, okay. But if you put a haza, you have to make it proper noun. So I put al, so they match the 4 properties. In matching these 4 properties, it is violating another rule. That rule is mudaf mudaf ilayh. So what is the solution? Removal, put haza at the end, and then this is correct, and this middle one is wrong. So this will be this book of Allah. Problem was not in the sentence. Problem was, the question was, I need fragment. I am studying fragment. I am doing ismul ishara mushar ilay. This book of Allah, I need exactly this book of Allah. So this will be here, haza kitabullah. So, okay, let's go for the next. Thank you, brother Hamid. So this is what we discussed yesterday and also just now, kitabullah, hazal kitabu. What is the problem? We just explained. Now, yesterday, this is one of the very important statement. Aqulu qawli hadha, as yesterday given this example by brother Shahbaz mentioned there. Let's start this qawli hadha and hadhal qawli. What is the problem? So I would go to, I need someone. Brother Javed Rasool, please help me.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. First, qawl mean
Saying. That is a
Can you
masdar,
please
right?
complete the table for qawluhu with translation?
Qawluhu, qawluhum, qawluka, qawlukum, qawli, qawluna.
With translation, qawluhu.
Qawluhu, his saying.
Yes.
Qawlu, they're saying.
Yes.
And you're saying, you all
First say
saying.
Arabic, Javed bhai. First say
I get confused, brother, in that when I'm doing both together.
No problem, no problem. Qawluhu, his saying. Qawluhum, their saying.
Yeah, qawluka, you're saying. Qawlukum, you all saying. Qawli, my saying, and qawluna, our saying.
Our saying, yeah. Qawlukum, saying of you all, or saying of you. Okay. Qawli, my saying, or saying of mine. That is not a problem. Yes. And qawluna, our saying. Okay. This is qawli.
My
Now,
saying,
my question is, I want this saying. What is qawli, by the way? Grammatically.
Mudaf, mudaf alayh.
Mudaf, mudaf alayh. And what is the condition of mudaf, mudaf?
It cannot take al with it.
Okay.
Mudaf cannot take al with it.
And also it should be light.
Light.
Okay. Now, my question is very important. I want this saying. First, if you look at this English, this saying, or saying of mine, this saying, is it sentence or is it fragment? This saying.
It is a fragment because it does
Fragment.
not give any
Yeah,
idea
it's
what
not
it means.
just
Yeah.
in English. Yes, we take help from that. Yeah, this is fragment. I need my this saying. So what you put?
Hasal Kauli.
Haza. Okay, haza. Because why you put al? Because you want that all four properties should match.
Right.
Okay, by doing that, you are violating one rule. What is that?
That is mudaf cannot take al with
Al.
it.
So
Yeah.
what is the solution?
We take we remove the al, take haza to the last, and kauli haza.
So what will be this? My
Saying same
My-
thing. My this saying. It will
saying
be
of
same
mine.
thing.
This saying
Saying
of
of
mine,
mine.
or my this saying, same thing. Okay. If I say now this is done, understand?
Yeah.
If I say now, next question is I would go to Farhan Bhai. Thank you, Javed Bhai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Farhan Bhai. Thank you. Farhan Bhai, question is this is my saying. Is it sentence or fragment?
This is my saying is a sentence.
Sentence. It's mean it is not fragment. This rule will not apply on this. It will not be ismul ishara mushar ilayh. We are talking about sentence. So what will be this? This is my saying. What will be the Arabic for that?
Yeah, we'll say haza kauli.
Haza qawli. And haza qawli, haza is proper noun. Haza is proper noun. And qawli, that we don't take care about the al and other things. So this is there. Haza qawli. And what about my this saying?
Hazal kauli.
If you say hazal qawli, then what happened?
Because we have added al here,
And what happened?
and then it made it proper.
Okay. And
And
did you
Mr.
violate any rule
yeah,
by
and-
putting al?
Yeah, it becomes like a fragment.
No. When
Are
you
you
put
talking
al
about?
here, okay. When you put al here,
Yeah, the saying, right? So we made it proper.
okay. Just let us take again. Yes, Farhan Bhai, very important point you are going to raise here. Okay.
مضاف
Qawli.
إليه.
Qawli is what? Forget about
مضاف
al.
إليه.
Qawli is what?
Yeah, saying of mine, right? So
Is it grammatically what?
mudaf.
Mudaf ilayh. Okay. And you gave a solution that put al qawli. And in mudaf, what should not be there?
There's al, and it cannot take al.
Al. So are you not violating this rule when you put hazal qawli?
Yes, we do.
So what will be the solution?
Then we remove the al, and also change the position of haza,
So it
and
will be what?
it's so kauli haza.
Qawli haza, saying of mine, this saying of mine. So this is, did you understand Farhan Bhai, this al, that al will not work here, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, this is my saying, haza qawli. And my this saying, that will be qawli haza. Now, in every Friday we listen, I say this saying of mine. I say this saying of mine.
Aqulu kauli haza.
Aqulu, I say.
I say. Kauli.
Saying of mine. Qawli haza. That's why haza is putting at the end, because that is not a sentence. That is a fragment. So this is overall the story about the ismul ishara mushar ilay. They should match al, and normally we put al. Okay, we can do it here, but when there is a mudaf ilay, putting al will create a problem. How to solve that problem? Put haza at the end. Okay, now here, just when you finish fragment, when the concept is clear, we know that, then immediately after that, this we must understand the sentences of, because they are pointing words when they use. So if it is haza kitabun, this is a book. Zalika kitabun, that is a book. And if it is hazal kitabu, you don't want to remove al, just put there in between a proper detached proper pronoun, haza huwal kitabu. So it will be sentence. Haza kitabullahi, this is a book of Allah. So this is about the sentence we have to see. Okay, now we go here for more practice here. So I would go to Brother Ahmed.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam, brother. Hadha baytun, meaning
This house.
Okay.
This is
it-
house.
Okay. Is it ismul ishara mushar ilay?
No, it's a sentence.
If it's
It's not a
sentence,
fragment.
is it sentence or fragment?
It's a sentence. Hazal Baitu is
I am not
fragment.
going towards that, Ahmad Bhai. I am just here. Haza baytun. Let's clear it. What is the meaning of haza baytun?
This is a house.
This is a house. So this is a sentence. This is not fragment.
Yes.
For fragment and to be ismul ishara mushar ilay, it must match 4 properties.
Yes.
So haza is basically proper noun, baytin common noun. So this is a house. This is a sentence. This is not the fragment. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
What is the meaning of hazal baytu?
This house.
This house. Okay. If I want that al should remain there and it should become a sentence, then what I will do that?
Al should remain there.
Yeah, I want that it should become sentence and also al should remain there.
Can I?
Yes, Azarbhai. Azarbhai, I'm coming to you.
Haza huwal Baitu.
Well,
Haza
we
huwal
just
Baitu.
put- yeah, we just put a pronoun.
Huwa.
there.
Yes.
Okay. What is the problem here, Ahmad Bhai? Hazal Baytullahi.
Because Baitullah is mudaf ilayh and mudaf does not take al. So it's not a proper fragment. So we place the haza at the end and remove the al.
And then it will become Baytullahi Haza, and meaning
Meaning this house of Allah.
this house of Allah. Thank you very much, Ahmad Bhai. Very nice. Now I would go to brother Azhar.
Ji. Ji, brother.
Thank you, Azhar Bhai, for volunteering.
Brother,
Let's have a question for you.
can I ask
Here,
a question?
Kamisi, Azhar Bhai. Kamisi means my shirt. Kameez.
Okay.
Kamisi, my shirt. If I say this is my shirt,
Mhm.
what will be the Arabic for that?
Kamisi,
هذا قميصي. هذا قميصي.
kamisi, kamisi haza.
This is my shirt. Is it okay?
هذا قميصي.
Yeah, I think brother Riza, he is right. Azhar Bhai, this is my kameez. This is my shirt. This is a sentence.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So what
Haza
is the
kamisi.
Arabic
Yeah.
for that?
Haza kamisi. Yeah. Is a
Haza kamisi.
sentence. You're right. Yes.
If I say that I want, okay, kamisi is my shirt. If I want to make it a fragment, my this shirt,
Then
قميصي هذا.
kamisi haza. My this shirt or this shirt of mine, kamisi haza. Kamisi haza.
kamisi haza is a fragment.
Fragment, and meaning will be
My shirt.
this my shirt.
This
Uh,
my shirt. Yeah. This my.
This shirt of mine.
Yeah.
Okay. If you say this is my shirt,
This is my shirt. Haza kamisi.
haza kamisi. Very good. Okay, now I would go to brother Rida. Thank you, Azharbi.
سلام عليكم.
Wa alaikum assalam. My house, brother Rida.
بيتي.
Baiti. Baiti is what? Grammatical.
مضافا إليه.
Okay, let's go for the ismul ishara mushar ilay. This my house or this yes, first this is my house.
هذا بيتي.
This house of mine,
بيتي هذا.
Baiti haza. Why you put haza at the end?
Because if I say هذا البيتي, that would be wrong. مضاف doesn't take al, so we have to, in order to fix the problem, we have to move haza to the end.
Haza
So
to
it's
the
going
end,
to
yes.
be baiti haza.
Okay, and you just here said that if I put haza al baiti, why I put al? Because to match the
Properties.
4 properties, match the 4 properties of this. Yes. Okay. Now I
Because
would go,
haza
yes.
is ma'rifa, right?
Yes, yes. Haza is
Haza
marfa,
is
and to make
proper.
baiti marfa, you put al.
The next word should be marifa too. Haza al-kitab, haza al-bayt. That's the point.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I would go to Brother Ash'ar.
Assalamu
Alaikum
alaikum.
assalam. Ash'ar bhai, Safarina, what is the translation?
Safarina, our travel.
Our travel, our journey. Okay.
Our journey.
This
Yes.
is our travel. This is our journey.
Haza Safarina.
Haza Safarina. What about this Safarina Haza?
This our journey.
It is fragment or
This is fragment.
fragment? Haza is at the end.
And yes.
And okay. Now I would go one more and then I will finish here, inshallah. Brother Naeem is there?
No.
Okay. Ibrahim Farhan.
And not today, Dr. Wayne.
Okay. Iqbal bhai, Dr. Iqbal.
जी सर.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Naqatullahi. What is the meaning of Naqatullah, Iqbal bhai?
She camel of Allah.
She camel of Allah. This is what?
This is mudaf ilayh.
Okay, mudaf ilayh. If I say this is a she camel of Allah.
This is a she camel of Allah is what we see in the screen. هذه ناقة الله.
And this is fragment or sentence, of course.
This is a sentence.
Sentence. Okay. If I say this she camel of Allah.
Then we have to switch the order.
Hazi. So we have to put Hazi at the end, because when I say this she camel of Allah, so it is a fragment. Fragment means ismul ishara mushar ilayh. It should match the four properties. If Hazi he is proper noun, and if I put al here, that will not solve the problem, because that will violate the rule of mudaf ilayh. So we have to put Hazi he at the end. Now, so I have to finish it here. So,
A question.
yes,
Yes,
please.
brother. Yeah.
Would you explain one more time? Haza huwa al-kitab.
Brother, can we do this at the end of the session, inshallah?
Sure.
So to
sure,
save the time.